Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down tools and tips to grow your online business. Today, we're comparing two popular platforms for course creators and membership sites, Kajabi and Skool. Let's dive in. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed to help you create, market, and sell online courses and memberships. With Kajabi, you get tools for building websites, managing email marketing, creating courses, and even handling payments, all in one place. It's a great for those who want a centralized solution and are focused on building a brand around their content. Plus, it's packed with customization option, though that can come with a learning curve and a higher price point. School. School, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and community. It's a streamlined platform where you can host your courses and build a thriving membership community. Its standout feature is its gamified community space, which encourages engagement and interaction among members. While it doesn't have as many tools as Kajabi, School shines if you are all about building an active, engaged audience with less setup hassle. So, how do you choose? If you need an all in one platform for running your entire business, Kajabi robust features make it a powerful choice. But if your priority is fostering a vibrant community around your content, School's focus on engagement and simplicity is hard to beat. Pricing is also a factor. Kajabi starts at a higher monthly cost, while School's pricing is more straightforward. To wrap it up, both platforms are fantastic. It really depends on your goals. If you've used either Kajabi or School, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.